Hi, welcome back guys. This is our first port, Ketchikan. Ketchikan known as Alaska's first city because it is the first major community travelers come to as they journey towards the north. Located on an island, Ketchikan began the life as an Indian fishing camp. The name Ketchikan comes from a Tlingit phrase that means eagle with spread out wings. In the early 19th, when gold was Alaska's claim to fame, fishing and timber industries were established in Ketchikan. The growth of these industries helped make the Inside Passage port Alaska's fourth largest city. There are many famous places here like Saxman's Native Village, Alaska Rainforest Sanctuary, Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show. Lumberjack, the people who used to cut timber and shape them into different things. They used to work the whole year and then come here and enjoy. The famous place where they used to enjoy was a lane which was known as Creek Street. There are a lot of outdoor adventures like small plane flying. You can really enjoy the outdoor activities like off-road vehicle, kayaking, hiking, nature watching and sightseeing. Lumberjack shows are also organized where they show the technique how to cut big logs and shape into the things. During those times, people used to live in the jungle, bring the timber and sell it timber here and enjoy it. Some of the houses like Dolly's house is still maintained. This was the house where some Dolly used to live and entertain people. Now you can see the place and look at the things which used to be there. However, this practice was banned in early 90s. But these monuments have been kept as it is. The buses here are old buses of 90s which has been restored and being used. There is a gift center near the port. You can walk around, have a look. There are plenty of things to admire, buy if you like them. It is not a very big city, but only about a population of 4,000 lives there. You can cover the town in about 2 hours time, then come back to the ship because ship leaves this day early from here around 4:30 in the evening. We'll enjoy our dinner and the late night outings on the sun deck. Then we can prepare for tomorrow's port, which is Geneva. Goodbye till then.